Saddlemen's TS3200DE Tactical Tail Bag is designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in a bag that's tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting, so you can keep your most valued items protected ride after ride. As part of our tactical lineup, this model offers the same sturdy construction as the original TS3200DE with a few stylish adjustments. Molle webbing detail on the bag's exterior provides a rugged look that highlights its rugged functionality. The TS3200DE is designed to fit perfectly on the passenger section of your motorcycle. Whether it's a day ride or weekender, you're getting the ultimate in storage and convenience with plenty of cargo space and a rigid interior frame that lets it keep its shape even when empty. Multiple external pockets offer plenty of extra space for grabbable items like sunglasses and maps, and inside you've got a tech organizer that's perfect for separating phones, cameras, and tablets from the rest of your cargo. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system, which includes strong nylon meshing teeth and black sliders attached to large pull tabs that are easy to grip with or without gloves. And when the weather gets wet, the TS3200DE comes with a reflective rain cover with locking cinch cord. Multiple oversized mounting rings around the bag overcome unique mounting challenges, and an integrated Molle attachment mounting option is also included. The TS3200DE is a spacious yet practical piece of luggage that will keep your cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your motorcycle, and you can pick one up for right around that $170 mark. And if you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.